We all know how busy life can get. Between work, family, and social obligations, finding the time to clean our homes can be a real challenge. This is where Octomaids house cleaning gift certificates come in. They are the perfect solution for busy homeowners who simply don't have the time to keep their homes as clean as they'd like. What makes house cleaning gift certificates the most ideal and versatile gift? Well, think about it. They are not just a present, they are a service. A service that frees up precious time. Time that busy homeowners can spend on more important things, like being with their family, focusing on their careers, or just taking some well-deserved rest. House cleaning gift certificates are also incredibly versatile. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, this gift fits any occasion. They are perfect for new parents who are too busy with their little one, for those who are recovering from an illness, or for the elderly who may find it difficult to clean their homes. And let's not forget the element of surprise. Unlike other gifts, a house cleaning gift certificate is unexpected, yet practical. It shows that you care about the person's well-being and respect their time. It's a thoughtful gift that is sure to be appreciated by any busy homeowner. In conclusion, house cleaning gift certificates are the most ideal and versatile gift. They offer a practical solution to a common problem, they are suitable for any occasion, and they show that you truly care. So the next time you're struggling to find the perfect gift, why not consider a house cleaning gift certificate from Octomaids?